There are new restrictions tonight on inbound flights from China after a Washington state man came down with the first U.S. case of the deadly new coronavirus. KPIX 5 reporter Andria Borba is at SFO, one of just 5 U.S. airports that will be handling all flights from China for now. Andria.
Well, Juliet, those airports include, as you said, SFO, LAX, JFK in New York, Atlanta, and Chicago, as officials at the Centers for Disease Control are concerned about spreading a possible pandemic. Less than a week after warnings about novel coronavirus coming out of Wuhan, China, the first case has hit in the United States, in Washington state, just outside of Seattle.
I'm thankful that the man who tested positive for this virus acted so quickly and sought treatment. His actions gave us a head start.
That man is in the hospital tonight for treatment. Cases of the pneumonia-like illness have also popped up in Japan, Thailand, and now South Korea.
We know it can spread among humans from person to person, but is this frequent? Is it common? That's something we don't know quite yet.
There is documentation out of Wuhan of one patient spreading the virus to 14 healthcare workers, but a lot is still unknown.
This is a new virus, so we don't know when you're truly infectious. Like some viruses, you can be infectious a couple days before you show symptoms. We don't know that yet, so this is part of learning a new virus.
In Wuhan, streets were sanitized. At Chinese airports, passengers were having their temperature taken. At SFO, one of 3 U.S. airports with direct flights to and from Wuhan, there has been screening of all Wuhan passengers in customs.
This interview process, this examination process, the screenings that the CDC are doing inside the customs facility are being processed very efficiently.
At the check-in for the China Southern flight from SFO to Wuhan, China this morning, passengers weren't overly concerned about the virus.
With my age, because I have a strong immune system and all that, it's not a big deal. I mean, worst case scenario, if I got it, I mean, I can recover.
Now back out here in San Francisco at San Francisco International Airport, we spoke to the airport spokesperson asking whether or not he knew any other flights from Beijing or Shanghai or any other major Chinese hubs like Chengdu would also be screened for this. He did not know. We called the CDC. We still have not heard back at this point. Live in San Francisco tonight, Andria Borba, KPIX 5.